Hi guys, as you know, this is your one and only sexy Poloo, Akuapem Poloo. Yeah, Rosamond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie Stone Boy, Bridget Otu, Hajia For Real, Akuma Masimbi, DKB. Oh, I can't mention it all. Please, I saw all this, all the bloggers who use that platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me, and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those called celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful, guys. You know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong, to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong. You guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. Your girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities. All over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. It pain you. Kiss, kiss.
Adwenepahene oka supre kwamra fo wa ekwa bibire plan bafo oka burumu odi putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo foto ntibidie.
I like it.